Here's an excerpt from my live stream where we tested the features on the FT5DR versus the FT3DR. This video includes me testing the IP7 rating. Is it truly a submersible radio? Let's find out. Yeah, the screen got real dirty. I think I gotta clean this. Yeah, why don't we clean it? Yep. She's fine. So pretty good. It's on. It's trying to connect to Bluetooth right now. Oh, jeez. So much for the I was trying to get a cool shot of it sitting in the water like that, but that didn't pay out. Will I'm not going to test the 3D. the FT5 specifically says that it is IPv7 rated, which again, just to reiterate, will take a 1 meter dunk, up to a 1 meter dunk for up to 30 minutes. So I mean, if you are kind of a hard use person and you need a radio that can take a dip and has a better speaker, and you like the 3, or you're thinking about buying the 3, maybe you have a 2. Somebody earlier in the chat was saying they have a 1 and they might be looking to update. You can't fault that. Yeah, Matt's gonna go buy one now because he knows it's submersible. So just for the fun of it, I'm gonna christen this one with a little Oktoberfest. So there you go. So there you go. Pour one out for my FT5. I think everybody knows that I was already a fan of the FT3DR. I hope everybody understands that I made multiple videos saying that the FT3DR was kind of my go-to. Beer is mostly water. Yes, I appreciate that the alcohol is thinner, but FT3 was always my go-to radio. The one I carried, largely because of APRS, straight up. I love the APRS. I frankly don't use the digital modes, to be honest, that much. Whether it's DMR or Yaesu System Fusion, whatever. I really don't find myself using them that often. I do use APRS when I'm outside. Battery life, unknown at this point. I'm going to charge it up tonight. I don't know why I have my AirPod in. I look like a jerk. I'm going to charge it up tonight, and I'll start it tomorrow. I have a live stream scheduled for tomorrow. We're going to be talking about patron picks. What do you do when the power goes out? So from the dB meter on my phone, the audio is very similar in the intensity, but arguably the quality of the FT3DR or FT5 is better than the FT3DR.